Hi guys and welcome to another video of the Syntax Sorcerer. Welcome back. Today we will be making our own internet browser based on Wikipedia. You all know what Wikipedia is. I'll go to it. It's just where you can search information made by people. So we will be making a wiki browser in Python. So that means that it'll search stuff on Wikipedia and display it to us. Let's get started. First, we need the Wikipedia API. A API is kind of like a module which you have to download from the internet, and it can allow you to interact with other services. So Wikipedia API allows you to interact with Wikipedia. So let's start. So as we always do, open CMD, command prompt. Remember how I told you this is a text-based way to interact with your computer by text? So let's enter pip install Wikipedia. You can see here Wikipedia is a Python module. Wikipedia. See, you have to put pip install Wikipedia. So just do that. It'll install Wikipedia for us, the Python Wikipedia API. But it's already installed, so it said requirement already satisfied. On yours, it'll try to install it, so wait 2 minutes. Okay, so we did it. Let's put import. Remember when we're importing an API or module, we always say import, then the module's name, Wikipedia. Wikipedia, like modules, like any other module, Wikipedia adds extra functions to Python to search Wikipedia. So some of the functions added are Wikipedia dot summary. Wikipedia dot summary is one command which is that fetches data from Wikipedia and displays it and prints it on the screen. So let's do that. So how we want it is input. Let's ask the user for what they want to search. This won't search the exactly same thing you input. Note that because Wikipedia is made by people and it doesn't have everything. So you'll have to search very specific. So let's say we can't just say like search for something called a key. You have to say key lock because you want to search for that if you want to search for that kind of thing. So enter. Remember, this is a very basic example of a Wikipedia search browser. You can make it way more advanced, but for our project today, I'll show you the more advanced versions in the other video thing that I made at home and I found on the web. So enter your search. Enter your search. Oh yeah, and we need to store it in a variable which stores the information in the memory. So let's say search. We all know about variables which store information. Let's go to search. Then let's say Wikipedia dot summary summary search. Okay, wait a second, guys. Let me see how to do Wikipedia dot summary. Give me 1 second. Facing some technical issues with it. Give me 1 sec. We solved the issues, and what we want to do is put our input, like what the user inputted, which is named search. We named it search. And then let's say lines equals to 2. Let's say 5 because we want to read more in detail about it. Then let's say print. Oh, we have to variable the Wikipedia.summary. Okay. Let's say info. Now let's say print. Info. Let's do it. Let's run it. It's running. Enter your search. Okay, let's search for a key, but let's also put lock next to it so it knows exactly which key we're searching for. Key lock. Lock. Wait a second. Sorry, guys. Search. Key lock. Got an expected word argument lines. Let's see what that means. If it got an unexpected word argument. So that's basically how this is basically how to operate it below. Let's see. So what we want to do, it says, is instead of lines, we want to tell it sentences, not lines. Sentences. And then let's put a space. Enter search. Let's say key lock because we're searching for the key that's related to a lock. So let's see. It'll print the information. Time to load. It's searching. See? Put the information. A lock is a mechanical or electronic fastening device that is blah 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 blah. It it like told the key and lock. Told both them. So that's cool, right? Like you could search whatever you want. Okay, cat, animal. Let's just say animal. It might give an error. Wow, sometimes. See, it gave the cat, the house cat. See, it gave the info about the house cat. Let's try another. Try another search. Let's do Linux. Computer. Wow. Linux. Linux malware includes viruses like Linux and Unix. Let's see what Unix is. Unix used to be a operating system. Unix is a family of multitasking, multi-user computer operating systems that derive from the original AT&T Unix, whose development started in 1969, and so on. Just you have to just put specific searches in our a quote unquote browser, then it'll search the things on Wikipedia. Let's try another search. I'll share with you what I got in my GitHub or my Replit. I'll share with you my thing. Okay. Linux. Let's do what I want to do is really just run this again. Enter your search. Windows XP. That was really old. Windows XP is really old. I think it knows this might Windows XP operating system. Oh, Windows XP. It showed the whole Windows XP. Windows XP is a major release of Microsoft's Windows NT operating system. It was so on, guys. See, you can read it if you want. So this is an easy way to fetch information from websites. Let's do from Wikipedia. Let's do. Wikipedia has everything, so most of the things I could say. So let's say what let's see if that is the most simple thing. Dog. Animal. You have to put what group it's in. Dog animal. It takes a little bit of time to print it. See the dog. See it showed all the information about dogs and wolves. And that is how to make your own Wikipedia browser. You guys share in the comments your version of this. I'll paste on it on my GitHub or my Replit. By the way, Replit is I'll show you. This video was made possible by Replit. Replit is a website where you could publish your creations, and you could buy premium plans which allow you to get AI and make your software very creative. So let's start. Let's show you what Replit is. A login. You could put start building. It has a free plan too, but I really insist you buy the premium plan. You'll not regret it, guys. I'm serious. Create Python. Let's create a Python script. Named. I'll paste this Replit project in the comments. Okay. Let's name it Wiki Browser. Wiki Browser 1.5 release. Because I made a Wiki Browser earlier than this, it wasn't that good. Let's say Wiki Browser 1.15 release. Create REPL. So I'll just paste this code I made here into Replit from VS Code Studio. I'll paste it into Replit. Replit's like VS Code Studio, but way more features. So let's do this. And Replit doesn't have to run on your computer. No downloading for it. You could just run it online and make an account. So you don't have to download VS Code Studio, but I still prefer it. VS Code Studio. Let's run. We have to install that thing. Install the Wikipedia. Okay. Let's do pip install Wikipedia. Install Wikipedia. And Replit's basically like a small computer, but on the web, like a virtual computer, because it has like memory and everything. Replit has also memory. So if you use too much memory, it won't let you make your project. That's why I say upgrade to premium. I have the free plan right now, but I got the premium plan on another account, so this is right now I'm running on the free plan. It has everything you basically need, but more memory. You get stuff to build more projects, more spaces. Actually, I highly recommend it. You should get it. See, you have limited resources, but join Replit Core. That's the best. Let's run. Let's run. Poetry add Wikipedia. We'll just add Wikipedia. Enter your search. Let's say enter your search. What do we want to enter? Cat. Animal. I'll be publishing this on Replit. See? It's more organized on Replit too. You can also search stuff. And let me deploy this project. Reserved VM. Upgrade your plan to deploy. I don't want to really deploy it, you could say. I just want to publish this. How do I publish this? Can I really publish this? Let's see. Publish it. So to publish this thing, I could just publish it. And I'll add a link to it, guys. Hope you had fun in today's lesson. Today you learned a new thing, I hope. How to use functions and modules. Bye, guys. See you next time. Let me just paste this. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye. And subscribe.